Hello dear traders, here one more time with you, Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Let's continue our course about how to analyze the market with Python. And we continue in the video number 2 and I create a very simple application in Python for analyzing the market and show you new tools that you can have inside your Python, your packages, that you can use it for easy and faster analysis the market. So let's start faster. Okay, this is the program. If you want to download this program, you just need to go down in the description. You're gonna have the access to my Telegram channel. They are free, nothing to pay, so don't worry about it. Just go inside of the Telegram channel in English in this case, because for each language I have a different Telegram channel. I have one that is in Spanish, one in Italian, and one in English. So down in the description you have the English. You just go in, enter in the group, and there you're gonna have the file name Microsoft.pe. Okay, I call it like that because I was planning to use only one stock, but then when I start programming it, I decide to make it that already useful application that you just write and type in the stock or the ETF you want to study, and then choose the kind of analysis you are interested, the kind of data you needed. So I make really nice the program. So what do exactly this program? We just click start the program, type in which stock we want to study, we click enter, and he's gonna show to us a different choices. We have example choice number 1, info stock, historical market data, dividends and split, dividends separate, split separate, show financial, show quarterly financial, show major holder, institutional holder, balance sheet, quarterly balance sheet, cash flow, earnings, sustainability, analysis recommendation, next event, news, post market, and the exit. So after that he say enter an option or enter 19 for exit. Let's say I want to see the dividends and the splits together, so I just click number 3, enter, and the market, the program gonna show to us after a little bit time that he entered in internet and download for us the information about the dividends and the split. So let's wait a second. Here we have now all the datas, 81 rows, 2 columns that show us from 1987 the dividends and the split. You can see here that in 1987 the dividend was 0.000536 cents, no splits. In 1987 he made the first split, and then till today 2022 the last dividend, that is now 0.23 cents. After that he say to us enter an option or 19 for exit. Let's say we want to exit already. 19, exit. Thanks for use Lion Bull Academy app. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget subscribe and click the like button. Okay, let's now look in what we did with this program, explaining a little bit. Then after you can download it, play with it, and see all this interesting information you can get easily and alone through this application. So we need to the package. I don't know if you already downloaded, but if you was looking the first video, for sure yes. eFinance, you just go to Python packages and download eFinance, and also the package Yahoo Fin. Okay, after you download the 2 packages, you go in you here type in import eFinance, and we call it EF for easy find it in as code. Don't need to write it all the time, eFinance. And we also import Yahoo Fin stock info, because some data we cannot find with eFinance, so we use stock Yahoo Fin in that case, and we calling him C. Like this is more faster to find it. Then I just printed in the screen Lion Bull Academy analysis app. You can really write in whatever you want it. Sorry. I create a variable named stock that you enter the stock you want to analyze, the stock or the ETF. Then I create another variable named MSFT because I was planning to use Microsoft, but then I changed it for just for any stock. And I also save it there in the same stock we was input in with us keyboard. Like this we have the same stock into different variables, because one variable I use it for eFinance, and the other I use it for Yahoo Fin. After that, I create one function named analysis, where I show all the different possibilities we have it to for choice. Then I create another function named main, where is the main program that let us input the option we like it, and then show to us. Example, I use this if else. I don't know if you know programming, but if you don't know, I just explain in more easy English words. It means only if the variable choice is equal to 1, then show me this information here. If not, if it's equal to 2, then this one, and like this, so on, so on, so on, so on. And if it's no one of them, it means else, something else, just show me this other here. That's what do it, that program syntax. Okay, in the first one, example in the choice number 1, we're writing print, I'm gonna show in the screen, from the variable MSFT, that will be the stock that we choose, that is writing MFST, ticker, EFINAN, ticker, stock. So that is mean the same stock we choose. In this case, I was choose Apple, so we type in Apple, will be really all the information about Apple. So here, I'm gonna show us the information, the general information about that stock. Exists many from eFinance, have many different tools to use it. Really, you have plenty: info, split, action, calendar, news, analysis, get dividends, get balance sheets. You can see cash flow, dividends. Have many different stuff to really working on it. We choose the first one, that is the info. Then we write in actual price. I write it in the screen, and then I use the other packages. The packages name Yahoo Fin, and get live price. I just get the live price of the stock I typed before, and he's gonna show me all of this in the screen. So let's show how it is. Example, Apple. Then I choose the number 1. Now he's gonna put a very big amount of letters. We're gonna be writing all the information about the stock. Just give it a time. After all that information, he's gonna show us also the actual price. So first he go in internet, get all the information, and after that get me the actual price, and then again ask me enter another option or 19 forex. Let's put 19 and exit from the program. Okay, now in the choose number 2, we put the history. We use again eFinance for get the history data, market data of. In the choose number 3, we choose actions, that is just show you the dividends and the split that have this stock or ETF. In the choose number 4, we have dividends. In the number 5, we have splits. Then you can see you can show the financial, the quarterly financial, all the information here. You just can look in yourself. I don't want to make the video too longer. You have many different information to investigate. So that's the very nice. Instead of going a web page and try to find everything, you just click one button, you have everything immediately up in your screen. Also news. Then here we create one new one. Let's say we want to create one new one, like I already did here, because I did in Spanish and in Italian. Let's now create another one. Before we go to the else, I want to make one more. So I just create here one else if, and choice, let's put it him equal 20. Okay, 20. And then let's say print C, let's put let's leave analyst info. That's looks interesting. Put analyst info and then writing stock. That is the stock we are interested to look in. Okay, there we did it. Now here we need to add one more print for show that new information for the person who are looking this program know what to choose, and we put 20 and put analyst opinion. Okay, let's put like that. Now we start the program, Apple 20. He's gonna get that information for us, and now here we have the analyst information, the estimation of earning, the revenue history, the current estimation in 7 days, in 60 days, in 90 days, the EPS revision from next year 2024. So all the information, the current year, the next year, the next 5 year, and the past 5 year. So all this information we have here for study. But you can see the program now stop it, and we cannot do nothing else. So for make it come back for choice another option, here we just need to write in main. It means that anytime you pick the choice number 20, after he do his work, he gonna come back to the main program. Till you don't click 19, till you don't type in the 19 and close the program. So that's what we did. Now if we start again and we write in again Apple and we put again the 20, he again searching for all this information. After that he again said enter an option or enter 19 for exit. Let's click 19 and we are out of the program. So like this is how working this program. You can see it's not so difficult. Okay, if you never programming, I understand it's also not so easy, but just play with it. Use this program, play with it. If you have questions, just comment me down below in the comments or just write me in the Telegram and I will help you. But play with this program. If you want to stop one, don't want to show some choices, like it doesn't matter if he typing or no, doesn't work, just need to add the sharp command, this sharp character. You just put that before any command and will be not reading by the interpreter. That's for you. Okay, so that was everything for today. I hope you like it. What we're gonna see in the next videos, so we're gonna create the same application but in nice GUI interface, in one beautiful interface with buttons and more interesting, more user friendly than just the command line. And also in the next videos we're gonna start making backtesting. We're gonna learning how to use Python for making backtesting of our strategies. And at the end of this course we're gonna learning how to create us own screener, where you can create different strategies, and this program automatically gonna show to us which stocks or which ETF or which forex we're gonna enter in everything really. Are ready to enter with that particular strategy. Gonna show to us the past performance of this strategy, gonna show to us the winning operation, the lose operation, the take profit, the stop loss, everything in one beautiful application. So we're gonna have for free, completely free. We create our own screener that normally in many places you need to pay a lot of money for it. So here you're gonna have for free and gonna learning yourself how to do it this one. So thank you one more time for looking the video, and if you really want to help, I hope that this video is finally gonna start pushing up my channel. You just need to subscribe to the channel, click the like button, share these videos with everybody who want to learning how to invest and trading and how to create their own tools, and in the same time learning how to programming. So I think these videos are perfect for it. Just share with everyone, and please, is the only I asking for you is just please share with everybody. Help me achieve help me to go to more people than possible. So thank you one more time. See you next time. Ciao guys.